Welcome to our instructional video on solving the quadratic equation x squared plus 19x plus 90. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to factor this quadratic expression in order to find the solutions for x. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify the quadratic expression x squared plus 19x plus 90. To factor it, we need to find two numbers that multiply to 90 and add up to 19. Start by considering the factors of 90. The factors of 90 include 1 and 90, 2 and 45, 3 and 30, 5 and 18, 6 and 15, 9 and 10. Among these pairs, the combination that adds up to 19 is 9 and 10. So, rewrite the middle term 19x as the sum of 9x and 10x. The expression becomes x squared plus 9x plus 10x plus 90. Breaking down the middle term helps us prepare for grouping in the next steps. Step 2. Now that we have rewritten the quadratic expression, we have x squared plus 9x plus 10x plus 90. This step is key because it allows us to use grouping to factor the expression further. Group the terms in pairs as follows: x squared plus 9x and 10x plus 90. This alters the problem by breaking it into two smaller binomials. Factor out the greatest common factor from each pair. For the first pair, x is the common factor, so it becomes x times x plus 9. For the second pair, 10 is the common factor, so it becomes 10 times x plus 9. Notice that x plus 9 is a common binomial factor. Combine the terms to get x plus 10 times x plus 9. These are the factors of the quadratic expression. Thus, the final factored form of the expression x squared plus 19x plus 90 is x plus 10 times x plus 9. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.